I wanted to give you guys a quick upgrade on the Big Mouth Ram Air upgrade that I just did. Quick little update on the fuel economy. So this is my lifetime fuel economy. You can see I have over 55,000 miles on the truck. This is my lifetime fuel economy. I've never reset it. Before I left for my little beach trip, I just went down to Carolina Beach and back. It's about 100 miles each way. Cruise control is set at 80 the majority of the time because it is 70 miles an hour. So I just set it at 80 and go. And then a little bit of street driving around town while we were at the beach and then straight back again. My average miles per gallon went from 17.5 to 20.4, as you can see there. So just in about 200 miles of driving, my fuel economy average went up that much, almost 3 miles per gallon. So you can see that the Ram Air is definitely doing its job. You know, because that's the only thing that I did. I'm using the same exact gas and everything else that I have been using. So that's the only change. And you can see my average went up that much. So this thing is going to pay for itself. I kind of did the math. It's going to pay for itself. It was 130 bucks. It's going to pay for itself in about 30 fill-ups. I fill up about once a week. So it's going to pay for itself in less than a year. So I hope that helps you guys. Look forward to the next upgrade. We have one coming in the next week or so. And look forward to that new video. See you guys.